Kenzie, look over there. Look underneath. Over here.
Here.
There's more up there.
Oh.
Kenzie, look.
Oh, Weeby, good job.
In the library.
You're doing good.
Oh, this there's a green chair. A little egg.
Wow.
You Oh, those are baby eggs. I've never seen a baby egg.
Two little baby eggs.
Wow.
And a multicolored one.
Wow.
A baby egg. I found a baby green one.
I
did.
still see two that no one's seen. Wow.
Those are hard to
I
find.
found
those
a
little
green.
baby ones.
And I saw no more.
No, I've seen one. No one's found it. Where could it be? What happened to my camera?
I don't know.
Can you give him a clue? Give Kenzie a clue.
Are they all gone?
There it is.
Oh, Keegan found it. Okay. Hold on. I'm going to stop.